We made it back to Bilingo Day. I have Bongo with me today. Okay, today we are in the neighborhood. Let's get our first one. The post office. Boom, 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 boom. Post office.
Oficina de correos.
Got it. This one is the theater. No, that's not right. The theater is, oh, this one looks like it.
Teatro.
Okay. The stadium. Oh, I saw that one.
Estadio.
Yes. Woohoo. We have one left.
Cine.
Woohoo.
Congratulations!
Awesome. High five. Let's get our next round. Our next one is in the park. Woohoo. Okay, Bongo, where are you? Here he is. We got him. All right. Bongo, I need your help for this one. The park. Okay, the flower bed. You know which one is the flower bed? Bongo, you're so great. Let's see if you're right. The flower bed.
Jardín de flores.
High five, Bongo. Okay, our next one is the slide. Oh, which one is the slide? No. Bongo, I need your help. Oh, that's a good one.
Tobogán.
Yes, Bongo is such a good help. Let's get our next one. The swan.
Cisne.
Yay, we have one left. Our last one is the picnic.
Cesta de la merienda.
Congratulations!
Congratulations. High five. You did a great job today. See you next time.